Hello everyone, today we will talk about major challenges faced by the manufacturing industry. India's manufacturing sector plays a critical role in economic development, contributing 14.27% of the GDP. Several challenges impede the growth of this industry and create hurdles in making India an economic superpower. Let's deep dive into those major challenges and how Indian manufacturing enterprises can tackle them. Manufacturers with multiple branches often lack access to key data in real time and are slower to respond to changes. Small manufacturers often lack access to critical market insights, new trends, and technological advancements. Inventory mismanagement, lack of automation, lack of skilled workers and innovation, leads to poor resource utilization. Lack of technology, strategic vision, inadequate training, excessive stress, and delayed wages lead to loss of productivity and innovation. Manual inventory tracking, inadequate storage, obsolete stock data, and mismatched policies make inventory management error-prone and slower. Sage X3 is an all-encompassing tool that comes with a multitude of modules to foster growth and success. It provides manufacturing-specific capabilities to run your business like a well-oiled machine. Connect with us now.